Hello students, welcome to TIME online classes. Today we are going to deal with the topic statistics. In this topic we are going to deal with the subtopic combined mean and variance. So let's have a look what is combined mean and variance. Whenever you are given two series or two set of values with number of items n1 and n2 respectively, so that is the size of the data is n1 and n2 respectively, with means given to be x1 bar and x2 bar, and standard deviations are given to be sigma 1 and sigma 2. We can find out the combined mean x bar using the formula n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. So to find the combined mean, the formula will be x bar is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. And this can be extended to any number of items. Now, the combined variance is given by sigma square is equal to n1 sigma 1 square plus n2 sigma 2 square plus n1 d1 square plus n2 d2 square whole divided by n1 plus n2. Now remember, d1 is nothing but x bar minus x1 bar. You can even write x1 bar minus x bar. Since we are taking whole square, the order doesn't matter. And similarly, d2 is equal to x bar minus x2 bar, where x bar is the combined mean and x1 bar is the mean of the first series and x2 bar is the mean of the second series. So let me explain once again. The combined mean and variance are obtained using the formula x bar is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2, and the combined variance is given by n1 sigma 1 square plus n2 sigma 2 square plus n1 d1 square plus n2 d2 square divided by n1 plus n2. Now let's just look at a sample problem based on this. In an exam attended by 50 students, 20 students are boys and 30 are girls. The average marks obtained by girls is 17 with variance 2. The variance marks of boys is also 2. The combined mean of the marks is 15. If mu is the marks of the boys and sigma square is the combined variance, we have to find out mu plus sigma square. So given that there are 50 students, out of which 20 are boys and 30 are girls. So let's take n1 to be the number of boys and it's given to be equal to 20. n2 be the number of girls and it's given to be 30. So let me write boys and this is girls. Also we are given that the mean marks of boys is mu and mean marks of girls is given to be 17. Similarly, variance for boys is 2 and variance for girls is also 2. And also given that combined mean is 15. We have to find out mu plus sigma square. So first let us use the formula for combined mean. Combined mean is x bar is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. So we have 15 is equal to 20 mu. 15 is equal to 20 mu plus 30 into 17 divided by 50. So we are getting 15 into 50, that is 750, equal to 20 mu plus 510. So we have 750 minus 510, which is 240, equal to 20 mu. So the value of mu is 240 divided by 20, which is equal to 12. So we already got the mean for boys is 12. Now we have to find out sigma square, that is combined variance. Let's work out in the next slide. We are given that sigma square is equal to n1 sigma 1 square plus n2 sigma 2 square plus n1 d1 square plus n2 d2 square whole divided by n1 plus n2. Now let's substitute the values of n1 sigma 1 square, n2 sigma 2 square, etc. Now n1 is given to be 20, sigma 1 square is 2, n2 is 30, sigma 2 square is 2, and so on. So here 20 into 2 plus 30 into 2 plus 20 into, let's find out d1 and d2. So here d1 is x bar minus x1 bar, which is 15 minus 12, that is 3, and d2 is x bar minus x2 bar, that is 15 minus 17, that is negative 2. So we get 20 into 9 plus 30 into 4 whole divided by 50. n1 plus n2 is 50. So we get 40 plus 60 plus 180 plus 120 whole divided by 50. So when you add, we get 400 divided by 50, which is 8. So we already got mu is equal to 12 and sigma square is equal to 8, and we have to find out mu plus sigma square. So mu plus sigma square is equal to 12 plus 8. So our required answer is 20. So here we are using the formulas for combined mean and combined variance. The combined mean is obtained using the formula x bar is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2, and the combined standard deviation is obtained using the formula root of n1 sigma 1 square plus n2 sigma 2 square plus n1 d1 square plus n2 d2 square divided by n1 plus n2, and the variance is actually the square of this. So that's why sigma square is equal to n1 sigma 1 square plus n2 sigma 2 square plus n1 d1 square plus n2 d2 square divided by n1 plus n2. Let's work out one more similar question. The question is, the mean of two samples of sizes 12 and 8 are 10 and 15. Their standard deviations are 1 and 2. We have to find out the combined mean and standard deviation of the sample. So here given that n1 is equal to 12, n2 is equal to 8. Similarly, x1 bar equal to 10 and x2 bar is equal to 15. So the samples are of sizes 12 and 8 respectively, and the means are 10 and 15 respectively. And we are given the standard deviations, that is sigma 1 is equal to 1 and sigma 2 is equal to 2. So first let us find out the combined mean. The combined mean is given by x bar is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2, that is 12 into 10 plus 8 into 15 divided by 12 plus 8, that is 20. So we have 120 plus 120, that is 240 divided by 2 will give you 12. So your combined mean is 12. So obviously our answer has to be either option B or option C. Now let us find out D1 and D2. So D1 is x bar minus x1 bar, which is 12 minus 10. So we get 2. Similarly, D2 is x bar minus x2 bar, that is 12 minus 15, that is negative 3. Now we want combined standard deviations. So sigma is root of n1 sigma 1 square plus n2 sigma 2 square plus n1 d1 square plus n2 d2 square whole divided by n1 plus n2. So let us substitute the values. So we get root of n1, that is 12 into 1 square, that is 1, plus 8 into 2 square, that is 4, plus n1, that is 12 into d1 square, which is 4, and 8 into 9 whole divided by 20. So we have 12 plus 32 plus 48 plus 72. So we have root of 164 divided by 20, which is equal to root of 8.2. So we can see that the combined mean is 12 and combined standard deviation is 8.2. So the required answer is option C. I hope you enjoyed the session for the day. Thank you.